What's going on, everybody? Dalton's Garage, and today I went out and purchased this Buck 119 Special hunting knife so I could do a unpackaging and review on it for the channel. What really sold me on this was it's made in the USA. However, when I did get home, I noticed if we look down here, it says imported Sheath. So not USA, USA. Well, that's okay. They get you somewhere, don't they? Overall, this is nice packaging. It feels good. It's appealing. See if we can get a little close-up on it there. And kind of, hopefully, maybe see that on the back. So, yeah, kind of excited to get this out and take a look at it. So this is the Buck 119 Special. There we go. Let's go ahead and cut this sheath out of here. Alright. Imported, huh? 119 right there, it says. Well, I mean, it's not bad. Doesn't smell like real leather. It smells like dye. Some kind of like ink or something. Got an inky smell to it. So I can actually see in the packaging here, it's kind of wore off a little. Let's see here. Famous forever warranty. Something repair and something. If you want to look at that, you can. I don't know if you can see that in the video or not, but possibly. Chuck Buck would say, if this is your first buck, welcome aboard. You are now part of a very large family. We think of each one of our users as a member of the Buck Knife family, and we take care of our own. If you want to read all that, I guess you can maybe pause it, zoom in on it. I'm not sure. That's pushing my expectations from my camera. Get that out of here. We don't need that. Okay. I guess we're on to the main thing here. Let's see if we can safely get this out without damaging anything. Okay. All right. Let's go. All right. Not the greatest weight on the boxes, probably, but well, there we go. We can grab that out carefully. That is all the packaging. Well, I guess there was an easy way to get that out. Well, I'm over here fighting with it. So, well, take a look at the packaging. Last time you're going to see it. Wow. Nice. That's I like that. I do like that. That's a nice heavy hand. I got a big hand. This is nice. All right. I actually seen another video, somebody cutting paper with it, and is it real? Ooh, wow. I've never had a knife like that, folks. Wow. Right out of the box. Are you serious? That's awesome. I've never had a knife like that. I thought that wasn't gonna happen. Look at that. Very carefully. Wow. Wow. Alright, I'm pushing my luck. Wow. Wow. That is awesome. Buck 119. Yes. That is sharp. That is what's up, guys, right there. If you don't have one of these, you're going to need one after this one. After watching this video. Man, that blade is thick on there, too. Whew, man, I'm out of breath. It's like took my breath away. I'll be dang. Yeah, that was a user error. Yeah. Wow, let's test fit it in the sheath here. See how it fits. Nice. Nice. So I paid $55 for this. It was worth every penny though. I've never paid 55 bucks for a knife, but something told me to go get this. Wow, that is sharp. That nice chrome and flush handle. Very nice. Very nice. Nice, feels good in the hand. That is awesome. Very happy with that. And I got a 10 or 11% rebate too. I purchased this at Menards. So I will get 11% back out of that $55. However, I'm not even worried about it. That's how much I'm pleased with this thing. Wow. Yeah, that didn't work like I thought it would. Well, at least it didn't bend the tip. Well, we wanted to do that. Well, first impression, I love it. Sweet. Highly recommend this thing. Highly recommend it. Feels good. That's like cutting up butter. I've never had a knife like that. We better put this away. Well, I don't know what else to say about this. I thought it was pretty cool. The first knife that this guy had, Mr. Buck, it was made out of an old file. He made him a knife out of an old file. I'm not sure the whole story on it, but well, it was definitely worth it. I don't know. I forgot I'm making a video, to be honest with you. Well, I guess that's it. Appreciate you watching Dalton's Garage. Signing out until next time. Buck 119 special. Worth every penny. That's going to look good. Oh yeah. That's going to look real good on my belt. Like another guy said, that's a conversation piece right there. That's a conversation piece right there. Whew. Love it. I gotta go show my dad this now. Well, I might not want to. He might try to take it from me. Because he might like it. Alright, everybody. Well, appreciate you watching. Hit the thumbs up button if you like it. Subscribe for more content I like. Appreciate it. See you next time.